on! I don't give a fuck if the bridge is busy. You're a cab driver! Hey. Hello, Roman Bellic Enterprises. No, Mr. Bellic is stepped away from his office. Can I take a message? Okay, great. No, I'm not gay. Yes, I'll tell him. Car 7, head to South Slopes. Come on! Where are you, Mohammed? Hello, Roman Belic's office. Shit, fucking battery. This is chaos!
Capitalism is a dirty business.
Yeah? Like war?
Not exactly.
No, maybe not. When you going to tell me properly about what happened? I'm not going to judge you.
When you got time.
There, I have time.
Another time. Can I help?
Okay, yes. Go pick up my friend Little Jacob. He's a good man. Likes to smoke a bit. Look after him. He's on Oneida Avenue in South Slopes. Nico, man, we should talk sometime. I'm a good listener.
Whatever, man.
Mohammed, what the fuck? Oh, Miss Weinstock. No, not you. What can I do for you today?
In the West, you see, at the end, if you go too far, you end up somewhere different. Once you burn children to preserve liberty, maybe you have a little problem. Think about it, if you still can.
Streets of South.
All right, brother. Forward at Dillon Street in Shatla.
And now, the show that allows
You, Nico, the one-man Roman been talking about all this time. Cousin Nico, gonna help Roman take over the world and thing.
I guess so.
Respect, all right. We're going to this spot where I needed to wait by. Seeing, I gotta ask you another favor too.
Go for it.
Can you take this piece? Hear anything bad going down? You come and help, sight?
Are you worried about this? I know how to use a gun if you want me to keep watch on things.
Realness, brother. You're my man Roman's cousin. Thanks, respect. These rascals that are rocking with my brethren real bad man the other day. I want to make peace, but John know what type of shit they might pull off.
Bypasses. Doctors that charge $30,000 to pry open your love cave with a speculum. Today on the show, from Beta Pharmaceuticals, Public Relations Director.
All right, there be the spot up there. Watch out for any badness.
Sure.
Some breakthrough new drugs. You look like you really need them.
Okay, thanks. And representing the largest HMO in the nation, Copay Health System CEO, Wilson Taylor Sr.
Ryan, it's a pleasure to be here to talk about taking the healthcare industry from a patient-centric and business-centric aggregated bell curve forward to the health model we're looking at in the 22nd century.
All right. And finally,
What's this? I know there's only gonna be one of you's coming.
Jacob. We have to teach a bad man his lesson and thing.
Shit, Nico, get this blood clot. There be another one, Nico. Check him. Let's get in there. I got you, I think. Let me cover and see. Watch me pull this trigger. For Magadog, turn around bite you. Come here back at Homebrew Cafe. real creation step on Nico. Righteous with that piece.
I hit it.
I think we can do some work together and thing in the future, you know?
I am always looking for work, if it pays.
Here's my number. Make we link up soon.
Son?
I was up all night long doing coke off a stripper's tits. How am I gonna get ready for this presentation?
With Wing It, the computer software that turns any empty, tedious meeting into an empty, tedious sales pitch. It's an electronic slideshow. Move up the food chain in your office and be a success.
I never went to college or had any formal training, but thanks to Wing It software, I don't need it. I got slides with sound effects, all kinds of crazy shit.
Wing It utilizes an incredible revolution in business thinking. Bullet points, to you. 3 words per page, to you. And of course, graphic representations of data, to you. Wow them with bar charts and bullet points, to you. Avoid open discussions or eye contact. They're so 20th century. You'll steal the show with Wing It software. Make ideas simple.
You're an artist, although you can't quite be bothered to make any art. You belong in brokers.
Laszlo, who used to host long-defunct radio station Chatterbox, is trying to relaunch himself
The box of it, hit the car again.
with a new show. He's still trying to raise
Thanks for
funding.
everything. You can keep the peace. I think you know if you use it better than I do. One love. Hey, Rasta. And I need to talk. Make we do it.
I mean, the internet had Web 2. The radio